So last time I drove this wheel that I bragged about that I made myself about 5 years ago, well, it cracked. But I did ride it really hard and I was running about 70 kilometers per hour when this happened. So I printed a new prototype here. So I'm gonna see, this is just a cheap PLA material. So this, I know this won't last, but I just printed this cheap one just to test it out to see if it fits. Then I will try different materials until I get it to work. There's always something. So let's see if this one fits now. I think I need to press this one in first. So it fits really good in this bigger ring here. But I think the holes are slightly off, they're a little bit too far in. Test to see. Yeah, too far in. So I think I need to make this circle a little bit bigger. So I'll make a new one. So let's see if this one fits better. I made this circle 1 millimeter bigger radius. Yep. Someone is inspecting the engine of the Mustang here. Does it look okay? I think I have too dirty paws for this roof. It's slippery. You're trying to turn around? No. I'm glad you didn't use your claws there. I think this is a better fit. Seems to fit. So I think I might as well test it in the sled too. I mean, this is just PLA and it's very thin, it's a lot of air in this. I didn't print this as strong as I would with the real one, but since we have it on, we can might as well test it too. So I will just go ahead and assemble this again. So I will not fill so much grease now because I don't think this will hold too long. let's test it. I will just remove this, makes it easier to see. Yeah, this one already cracked. I'm not surprised though. It's just a really thin layer of plastic, so just PLA. There was no really surprise that this didn't held up as long as it was just a few hundred meters, maybe 1 minute of driving and this happened. But this is really thin. It just wanted to know that it was the right size and everything. Realized on this one that it was a little bit too small circle here. But this one fitted perfectly. So now I printed a solid gear here. And this is the first part I ever print with just a solid infill here. And this is ASA. I think like nylon or something would be better, but we can try this. It took almost 12 hours to print this with the settings I had. So let's mount this and see if it works. So the only reason I have the hood open is just to borrow him tools.
Du har förstått?
So this one broke too. In ASA 100% infill, so yeah, it's pretty much small cracks all around here. This is a big one. Now I made one in glass-filled ABS instead. So let's mount this and see. I figured I'd spare you the pain of watching me install the exact same thing again, so here's the fast forward version. See how this one works out. Those little holes. There's only one option left, and that is nylon one. Don't think I have time for that this year. The snow is about to melt off, so. We were out driving almost a full day and so far it's so good, at least. Now it's the end of this winter, so no more tests this year, so I guess this is it. So now they're all stowed away here for the summer. And yeah, I also traded in this one. I traded my flail mower for the tractor. Since I don't use that as much, at least for my own property. It ended up by just mowing lawns for everybody else. Fun thing with this is there is a triple in it. It's only a 600, but still a cool sled. Now I have even more to do in the fall. And I forgot to mention that I made some small changes to the design of the wheel. You can see I just softened the edges a little bit from these sharp ones to these soft ones. I think that's a good thing makes it stronger, I think. And I'm also might change my YouTube channel name now, because I never really liked the Daily Bergstrom thing. It's not like, no, just don't like it. So I'm thinking of Bergstrom Garage now, because this garage was where it all started. So yeah, I think I will go with that. I hope it's okay for everyone.